তো আজকে আমরা স্টার্ট করব হচ্ছে বেসিকগুলোর ব্যাপারে। তো আগের দিন আমরা পড়েছিলাম হচ্ছে অপারেটরের ব্যাপারে, ঠিক আছে? অপারেটরের ব্যাপারে একটা লিটল বিট নলেজ দিয়েছিলাম। তো আজকে সেই জিনিসটাকে আমি নতুন করে একটু চেষ্টা করছি। তো ফার্স্ট অফ অল আমি বলতে চাই যে ডেটা টাইপ কয় প্রকার যেটা আছে। তো প্রথমে ডেটা টাইপ ডেটা টাইপ বেসিক্যালি দু প্রকার হয়। একটা হচ্ছে এক নম্বর হচ্ছে প্রিমিটিভ ডেটা টাইপ, এক নম্বর হচ্ছে প্রিমিটিভ ডেটা টাইপ, আর দু নম্বর হচ্ছে নন প্রিমিটিভ ডেটা টাইপ। তো এবার আমরা বলতে পারি এই হোয়াট ইজ প্রিমিটিভ ডেটা টাইপ। প্রিমিটিভ ডেটা টাইপ হচ্ছে যেগুলো হচ্ছে আগে থেকে ইউজারের মানে আগে থেকে দ্য কম্পাইলার, দ্য প্রসেসর অ্যান্ড দ্য কম্পিউটার অলসো known about it. That is built-in data type. Built-in data type. আর নন প্রিমিটিভের মধ্যে কি কি পড়ে? নন প্রিমিটিভের মধ্যে পড়ে ইউজার ডিফাইন্ড ডেটা টাইপ আর ডিরাইভড ডেটা টাইপ। একটা হচ্ছে ইউজার ডিফাইন্ড ডেটা টাইপ আর দু নম্বর হচ্ছে ডিরাইভড ডেটা টাইপ। তো এবার হচ্ছে in in case of built-in data type, they are also having some like you will know about this, the int, float. In the previous class I have discussed about the size of those keyword, those data types, the int, float, char, then double, long, and so many. And in case of user defined data type, তো আমরা যদি বলি ইউজার ডিফাইন্ড ডেটা টাইপের ক্ষেত্রে, তো ইউজার ডিফাইন্ড ডেটা টাইপের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা বলবো হচ্ছে একটা হচ্ছে ক্লাস। We will discuss about the class vastly in the class of means when we were learning the C plus plus and all, because there in C there is no class, there is a structure. We can here we use structure. We will surely dive into it. Another is union হচ্ছে enum, আর derived ডেটার মধ্যে কি কি পড়ে? ফাংশন, অ্যারে, পয়েন্টার, আর পড়বে হচ্ছে রেফারেন্স। তো এইটা হলো একটা মানে এটা হচ্ছে ডেটা টাইপ। তো ইফ সামওয়ান আস্ক ইউ অ্যাবাউট হোয়াট ইজ ডেটা টাইপ অ্যান্ড অল, you will say there's two types of data type, that is primitive data type. One is primitive data type, and in case of primitive data type there is a one built-in data type. In under the built-in data there is int, float, char, double, string, and all those things. In case of non-primitive data, in case of non-primitive there are two data types like user defined and derived data. User defined data class, structure, unit, and derived data function, array, pointer, and reference. Then I will discuss about something like what is it? Eraser. So wait just So in in the last class we have discussed about also the keywords and the format specifiers. Format specifier লিখে হচ্ছে percent C for character, percent D, percent I. So and in case of string there is percentage. In case of float percent F. In case of double তো হচ্ছে percent LD, sorry, in case of double that is LF, sorry. And in case of long int, that is in case of long int that's a percent capital L, and those are the means char, int, string, তারপর হচ্ছে float, তারপরে হচ্ছে ডাবল। তো এটা হচ্ছে কিওয়ার্ডস আর এটা হচ্ছে ফরম্যাট স্পেসিফায়ার। তো এইটা গেল একটা বেসিক আইডিয়া। তো তারপরে আম, আমি কিছু অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিয়েছিলাম যেটা কিনা ইসের কাছে দেওয়া আছে, ওই আগের দিন যেটা ক্লাস হয়েছিল, তো এইটা আমি রিশুট করছি বেসিক্যালি। তো তারপরে আমি আমি পড়েছিলাম কিছু কেস অফ হচ্ছে তোর অপারেটরের ব্যাপারে। তো অপারেটর, if someone asks you how many types of operator are there, you will say operators are three types. One is unary operator. Two number binary operator. Three times হচ্ছে ternary operator. See the difference between three operators are like, in case of unary operator there is a one operand, means plus I, then I minus minus, and lots of there, that is plus 5, minus 6, and lots of. In case of binary operator, there is a like, now we can say the A plus B, A minus B. Those are means these two are operands. This one is operand, and in case of ternary operator, there is a question mark, and then means there is a condition A greater than B, print A, else, that is else, and then print A. So there are three kinds of operators, and in terms of three, first is means in this lecture we will talk about binary operator, because in the last class we have discussed about the unary operator. Unary operator, let, let me give you some briefing, a short introduction about so the unary operator means a plus I, that is operands, okay, and that is operator, and that is operands, okay. Then plus 5, that is operator, that is operands, okay, minus, and there is another operator, that is size of operator. Size of operator. Size of operator means it will define detect the size of an operator. Means if you are writing this, means if you declare this as a int, say s, so in the second, in the first bracket we have to write size of s, then we will get the output as a 4. If we put double size of s and size of s and we declare double s, so that will print also. So today's important topic is binary operator. Okay, what we have discussed earlier. So in case of binary operator, in case of binary operator, there is means you can say the in binary operator. So binary operator under we can say arithmetic operator. Number two, relational operator. Number three, logical operator. Number four is bitwise operator. See, these four operators are very important when you are. Uh, p- these three are important, and most important is bitwise operator. Okay, it will help you lot in case of AND operation, OR operation, or not operation, XOR operation, and arithmetic operator are like the basic things you have done. Relational operator, you can say greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, then not equal to. So in case of logical operator, we can say like logical operator double and person. Wait, double and or are not operator. These are logical operator. And bitwise operator we can use as a means. Why I'm saying those important, because you have also done it in class 11 and 12, and if you are electronics student, computer science student, you will know about those end operation or operation. The, this is like something else, but these are right shift and left shift operator. Okay, and one is not operator and another is XOR operator. Okay, so into the right now we will discuss about the bitwise operator. Means everything like that, and then rest of the operator is doing as the same way. Just I am telling you the precedence of every operator. The lowest precedence হচ্ছে lowest precedence is post, means see, you can see this plus plus increment or decrement operator. In increment or decrement there is a pre-increment and another one is post increment operator. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. The post increment operator, this is the lowest lowest precedence mean, and this is the lowest precedence. This means it's a 5 plus plus, and if it is plus plus 5, then it is highest precedence. Okay, so um and after that there is a equal to assignment operator. It is known as assignment operator. So there is also uh, do you use the BODMAS operation? Means in case of assignment operator, the order will be same, that first you have to use the bracket, then after you have to use the mod, then divide, then in when it divide into in the same position, then plus, then minus. In that way, means the operation, if like that, 5 into 6, then after 3 plus 6. So in that case, you have to do the first operation like 30 and 9. So can you say the what will the output in case of operator? Means all the derivatives are in integer. So the output will be like the it will this output will give you the the quotient part, and modulo gives you the remainder part. Means the output will be like 39, means 3, and the remainder will also 3, but this remainder is 9, 30, 3 nines are 27. So this 3 will be this remainder, and this 3 will be this. Means operator both using the same thing, but one gives you the remainder and another gives you the quotient part. Okay, so I have give some assignment regarding this. Okay, please solve all those assignments, and after that we will talk about the logical operator. Logical operator means logical. This is logical and operator. Means this use in case of relation of, means a greater than b and person a greater than c, where a is equal to 10 and c is equal to 5 5 and b is equal to also 11. Okay, so in that case this will be a greater than b, this will false, and a greater than c, 18 or c5, then it is true. So in case of AND operator operation, means there is a you know about the gate operator, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So that will be 0 0 0 and lastly 1. Okay, and in case of this, that will be true false. Okay, like 0 means false, false true, true false, and true true. There the remain that will output true, and remain will output as a false. So in this operation, it will show the false. Okay, means AND operator means this and this. 0 means this, because the see, 10 greater than 11, no, that will output false, and that will the 10 greater than 5, yes, so that will 1, so 1 and 0 output will be 0. Okay, in case of OR operator, the things are the same, just I'm changing this. Like in case of OR operator, we have to write this logic gate like 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. So in that case, you will say 0 1 1 1. So if 1 is 1, see, in case of these things, this will be the same thing. There's 0 and the output will be 1. So in between those there is a or logical OR operator. So just clear the end one and write the OR operator. Okay, in this OR operator you will see 0 and 1. This output will be 1. Okay, so uh, just to recall you all the operator properties and all. So after that, what not will do? Not will means if this is 5, not, that means it will output as a 0. Means not operator not operator properties is it will uh, convert. Just a minute. So not operator uses uh, this will change a non-zero elements to 0 and 0 elements will change non-zero element. Means if we have 0 then output will be 1 and 1 means I'm not sure about, just do it, the it will convert any non-zero element to 0. Okay, so hope and this will clear to you. If any confusion, just let me know about the next class, in the next class. Okay, so after that we will talk about the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator means yeah, wait. Bitwise operator. Bitwise operator means it will doing the same operation like and or addition and everything, but it will do by bit. Suppose there is a operation like and then rest of the operation are same, like that and operation, not operation, or operation, all the things are same, and even the same logic also. Okay, so I just write it 32 and and 16. So what will be this? So just I'm giving you the how to take the binary of 32, just like 1 2 4 8 16 32. Okay, so in that case this binary will be like means char, just a minute, for 32 64 128. So in that case it will be 0 0 1 zero 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 zero. See, in this 32, so it will 32, and in case of 16, it will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So its by ends, its output will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. See, end operation key 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 this. And in case of, if it is or operation, okay, if it is or operation, so in case of, see, or operation like this, so it will, see, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. The output will be 48. Okay, means 32 or 16, output will be 48. Okay, so hope these things are clear to you. Let's dive into the next thing, that is right shift operator, left shift operator. So in case of right shift operator, we will use like that. See, in case of shifting operator, we have to do the same thing, but the thing is that we have to transfer 0 to this point. Means if I write 56, this is right. Okay, right shift 3. So in that case, you have to write the binary of 56, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 48. Okay, so in that case, right shift operator will be like 1, sorry, 48, what, that, that will be 64. So 34, so in that 34 we have to write like the same way, that is 1 1 32, 32 ষোলো 48 8 হচ্ছে 56, তো 0 0 0, and the remain will be 0. And in case of 3 we just have to write 1 and 1, and rest of the things are 0. Okay, just do one thing, just remove that, means you don't have to write this, you just have to shift the three operators to it. Means just a minute, just a minute. In that case, we have to write the 32 bit, means one integer. One integer is 4 byte. That is 32 bit. So we have to write 32 bit. Means wait. In case of 56, 50, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, after that 256, then after that 512, after that 1024, after that 2048. Means I just want to clearly want it, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, in that way, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7, just like that, same. Okay, but what you have to do, you have to just wait, just a minute, I have to write this like, in case of right shift operator, 56 will be like 32, wait, 32, 16, and 8, rest of the things are 0. Okay, so what they have told me, to right shift this operator, means in that way the 111 will be like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, means 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, sorry, 4 and 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I will write like this, and after that, so see, I have to shift those three domains. It will shift like a 0. So I will write 0 0 0, and after that there is a last 3 zeros, that will be like 0 1 1 1. Okay, so output will be like right shift of 1 2 4 7. In case of left shift operator, we have to do the same thing. এক দুই তিন চার, এক দুই তিন চার, এক দুই তিন চার, এক দুই তিন চার, এক দুই তিন চার। Zero, zero, one, and then 100 means that is a 56 binary, and we have to do the we have to do the like this. So in that case we have to write shift to the three operator, like means there is a zero na. So in that case we have to write shift those three into after those three means zero, 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 zero. Okay, and after that what we have to write? We have to write another means one, two, three, four. That is one shift. Okay, and then it's zero, zero. Okay, three. After that you have to write those, and means this like, but the output will be like one, one, two, four, 8, 16, 32, 32, 64. 120 means you have to write 128 plus 256 plus 64. That will be the total output. So I think you have some doubt in the bitwise operator, but I will clear you in the next day. Hope you will go through into this video. So after that we have discussed about the for loop. Okay, means uh, why we use loop. There's another way to do the same thing. Means the thing is that we are using loop to avoid the same task repeatedly. Means if I have to add 1 to 10 number, okay, so it can be 1 to 100 number, it can be 1 to 1000 number, and sometimes more than that. So what should you do? There is a two way. Okay, just multiply addition one plus one like this, and another way is we will use a condition, that is loop. It reduces the time. The syntax of the for loop is like, means first we have to do the for loop, and after that initialization, then condition, then increment or decrement operator. Means if we have to write 1 to 10 number or 1 to 100 number, we just put like the program will be like this. uh, int number, then scanf, printf, my name is first printf, then scanf, then we have to use a loop. int I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, and after that we just write the condition, that is just we need another number. So in that case sum is equal to sum plus I, so end of loop. So in that way you can find the addition of 10, first 10 number ki first 20 number. Okay. So and another thing is there are three kind of loops like uh, for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So in that case we can say for loop and while loop are entry control loop, and do while is exit control loop. Exit control loop means in case of while there is also that we have to write the initialization first, then we just write the condition, and after that we just write the I plus plus. In case of do while have all the same things, means in loop there is one, means in case of running loop we can use initialization, then condition, then increment or decrement operator. So these are the three things that for making a loop we need. So that's from my side today. If any doubts having there, just let me know. I'm ending this class.